Hi, welcome to the session. So in this particular session, we are going to see how to install Anaconda. Okay, what is Anaconda? Anaconda is a software. By using this, we can able to manage the Python projects. Okay, so we are going to use this Spyder that is available inside the Anaconda. So we'll use this Spyder, that is an integrated development environment. By using this, we can able to create our own code. Fine, we can debug it, we can run the code. Don't worry about all these things, I will explain later. So this particular Spyder is available inside this particular Anaconda. Anaconda is a graphical user interface which helps us to manage our Python projects, okay, and data science projects. We will see this later. Fine. So Spyder is a IDE. So this particular Spyder is available inside this particular Anaconda. We need a software to write the code, right? So that's why we are going to use this particular Anaconda. There are many other softwares available. I found Anaconda and Spyder is excellent combination here. We have a Spyder that is, by using this you can able to plot the graphs. You can able to see this mainly designed for actually data science, this Spyder. So let us install this one. Let me go to my desktop. So this is my particular desktop here. So I will go for my browser. I'll click the browser. Now I will type here Anaconda download. So when I click this particular Anaconda download here, I'm going to get the first one, anaconda.com download. So click on this particular Anaconda download. So when I click on this, I will land up in this particular page, that is anaconda/download. Fine. So distribution, you can see Anaconda distribution. Click on skip registration. Fine. So I skip the registration. So it will land up in this particular page, Anaconda installers. So you can see, you can download here, or you can, your Windows, if you are using Windows, click on this download, or if you are using Mac, click on this. I click on this particular download. So when I click on this, it's downloaded. So it's going to download in my download folder. Okay. So make sure where is your download folder, check that one, and double click on this particular Anaconda 3 2024. So it has downloaded, it's around 904 MB. It's going to take some time over here. Double click on this particular thing, particular icon, Anaconda 3. So when I double click on this, I get this particular page. Okay. This particular screen will appear. So just click on next. Okay. Welcome to Anaconda 3. Just click on this. Then I'll agree the license, like how you install other software, same thing. Just I'll agree. Then it's asking me just me or all users. I click all users. If you are not the admin, then you just say click just me. Okay. It's okay, no problem. If just me also is okay. Just I make sure that all users. So click next. Then I will end up with this particular permission page. So just press S over here. Okay. Then it's going to ask where exactly the Anaconda has to be installed. So program data Anaconda 3 under C drive. See here, space available 20.7 GB and space required 5 GB. Make sure 5 GB should be available on C drive. Okay. So then I will click on next. So when I click on next, make sure this, don't uncheck or check this one, anything. Just leave as it is. Just click on install. So it's now installing. It will take some time over here, maybe 10 minutes, something like that. So it's not an issue. Just make sure, I will just go to the next. Okay, it has installed. Fine. So once it has installed, I'll click on next. Now it will land up in this particular screen. So it is just press next over here. Okay. When you say next here, so it is launch Anaconda Navigator, getting started. Just say finish. Okay. When you finish this one, you will land up this particular site. Just minimize this one. Okay. Go to the search bar. Now when you go to the search bar, you just, in the search bar, you just type Spyder. Okay. You just press type or Spyder, and Spyder will appear over here. This particular icon you should see. So double click this Spyder. Okay. When you double click or just click the Spyder, and you will land up like the Spyder will open. It will take some time to open. It has opened for me. So when you get this particular black screen like Spyder Python 3.11, that means we have successfully installed Spyder, or nothing but Anaconda, under Anaconda distribution we have Spyder. Thank you very much.